Hi there, how are you? Welcome to another video. This time we're taking on Al Green's Tired of Being Alone. I just love this song. I love the whole Al Green situation. He is a master. And some of the guitar playing, while subtle, is really cool. So I thought we'd take a look at not only the chords, but some of the little fills in this song today. Now, first up, we are going to start with the intro riff, which I just played there at the front of the video. We're going to play a C major. So we're basically going to play those 3 strings. So we've got C, F, C. And then we're going to play a major 7, which is... And then we're going to play a 7. And then we're going to play a 6. So the fingering there is 3, 2, 2. So we basically play basically like a C5, major 7, same strings, same 3 strings, D, 4, and. So that's the intro. Then it kicks off in the verse. We've got C, C major, C7, A minor. Then he plays an A7, and then we slide up into D. Same kind of thing, D major 7, D7, B minor, B7, B, and then we get to the G. So what I'm doing there is I'm playing like a little G triad. So we've got 5, 4, 3, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and then sometimes you hear a little, and they're basically doing a hammer on with your little finger just on this note here. So you 7th fret of the B string, sorry, F sharp. So you get G. Then we get a bar of G, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So there we've got a bar of 4, a bar of 4, and a bar of 2. Alright, then that loops around, plays the whole thing again, you know. C, 3, 4, C major 7, 3, 3, C7, 4, and 3, and 4, and C, and 3, and 4, and... You know what I mean? So we've got that's the verse and bridge, and then after that repeats all the way around 2 times. We hit an interlude, which is kind of the sort of just play out part. We're gonna 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and sometimes, and you know, that kind of thing. 2, 3. So some of the little fills you can put in here, like loads of these sorts of records, you'll find it's not crazy. It's pretty straightforward, and they're often based around the chord. So one thing you really hear is just the super classic riff. We've got 10 and 10, and we're going to slide up to 12 and back to 10. So you get this. That kind of thing. You sometimes even hear a, which is basically, we're playing a D. With our third finger, we're going to just basically walk up. You hear the major scale there underneath. So 5, 7, 9. So it's quite a nice little run. Okay, so there's some little ideas around Tired of Being Alone by Al Green. It's also a great song to solo over. You know, the change in the chords is really interesting, so that's a pretty fun time as well. Thanks for watching. I will be doing more videos every Saturday at 9 o'clock City time. There will be a new little video on a new song, technique, or whatever. Please subscribe, click the bell, and I will see you then. Cheers, bye.